In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT as a high-level screenshot analysis assistant for your sales and marketing data. I'll start by opening a new chat and setting up my custom instructions. I'm copying a detailed prompt from my notes that defines my role as Josh, a digital marketer who needs deep, actionable insights from business performance visuals. I paste this into the text box and send it to establish the persona. I want the analysis to be honest, direct, and formatted for quick decision-making. ChatGPT confirms it's ready and even outlines the structure it will use for my reports, focusing on what's shown and what the data actually implies. Now, I'll move on to the first analysis. I click the attachment icon to upload a screenshot of a sales performance bar chart. Along with the image, I paste a specific request for a plain language summary of the year's performance. I'm looking for the strongest and weakest months, and advice on how a sales manager should interpret these results. As ChatGPT processes the image, I scroll through the generated response. It correctly identifies July as the peak month and points out the significant dip in December. I'm taking note of the actionable recommendations it provides for improving performance during those slower transition months. Next, I want to look at a comparison chart. I click the upload button again and select a screenshot featuring two different performance lines plotted over 12 months. I paste a prompt asking for a clear explanation of how these two lines relate and where they diverge the most. As I scroll down, I can see ChatGPT breaking down the visual characteristics of each line, noting that one is more volatile while the other shows more stable growth. This insight is incredibly helpful for diagnosing whether our sales pipeline is consistent or just relying on occasional bursts of activity. For the final task, I'm uploading a more complex, multi-layered chart that includes bar columns, area shading, and two different y-axes. This chart tracks both closed opportunities and actual revenue in millions. I paste my final, detailed prompt to see if these two metrics move together or tell different stories. As I review the results, ChatGPT uncovers a counterintuitive finding, specifically that June had the highest volume of closed deals but didn't see a proportional spike in revenue. This suggests we might have been closing smaller or discounted deals that month. By the end of the session, I have a clear roadmap to bring to my next leadership meeting. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.